Osmo Mobile 6. I'm just about to unbox it. I've just got the plastic off to make things easier. It's made things easier. It's a little pouch. Charging cord. Instructions. I really like the pouch. It's got a really nice velvety finish. Ooh, very nice. I'm excited to use this. This is very comfortable to hold in the hand. It feels very sturdy. This is great. This is what you put on the actual phone to attach the gimbal so that you can attach the hot handle to your phone. Very nice. And this is the tripod stand. Very cool. I'm gonna get rid of this packaging. This, I will need this for something. So I was just thinking whether I would need the box, but I'm just gonna keep it in the bag that came with it to pack it with. I think the box is gonna be too big to like travel with. I will read the box. It says stabilization, active track, quick launch, easy tutorials, and one tap editing, portable and foldable, and a built-in extension rod. I downloaded an app, which I've already done on this phone that I'm recording with right now, but I'm buying a new phone, so I'll have to download the app onto that, the DJI app. I'm really gonna enjoy using this. going to be fun and make videos a whole lot better, because I can't stand watching videos that are shaky. I make fun of them and I turn them off. I try to keep my phone stable when I'm recording myself. I'm very conscious about that, and it's really hard. You can't help it shake a little. It just ruins the whole look of the video. So this is going to change that, and it's got a lot of features that are going to make videos a lot more professional looking. It's just going to like make life in general easier when recording. Good job, DJI. I'll create another video to show the results, to show me actually using it, and you'll see the results when you watch my actual vlogs and videos. I'm on Instagram and YouTube, so go subscribe to me and keep track of my progress in my video creation using the Dji Osmo Mobile 6. Discovered these instructions on the inside of the box. That's the app, and just a few more instructions for setting up different positions with the phone, and how to actually raise the head of the gimbal where you attach the phone, the selfie stick, and how to attach the actual phone to the gimbal. That's how to raise the gimbal. That's the selfie stick, how to attach the phone, and how to get the actual app that you'll need from the actual DJI site and not the app store. There's a QR code there. And this is what it looks like when you've packed all of the things that you get with it. The DJI gimbal. This is what it looks like when it's inside the pouch, packed up, and that will fit easily into a carry-on luggage suitcase. So it's really good, really compact, really easy. This is what it looks like opened up, with everything inside. It's really, you can see the size comparison with my hand, how small it is. So that won't take up any room in a small carry-on luggage suitcase. So that's perfect. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to see the progress of using this gimbal and the quality of the videos. You'll see for yourself. Bye. Subscribe.